Yeah, and planning a deck, it's more than just a flat space. We can actually design it with different features, as in built-in benches or privacy screens, some ambient lighting, make each one unique to fit your needs. We can use our design experience to make sure the deck ties in with the entire landscape. So, is it functional with the rest of the landscaping? Is it cohesive? Every deck can be customized to be exactly what you want. Every space is different, so decks kind of give you a lot of different options of how to use that space. If it's grade change or some other options would be difficult, even tough to reach locations, it's easier to bring deck boards in than other options. We can do them seasonally, so it's stuff we can do in the winter. And we can create custom decks to maximize your outdoor space, to create something in your budget. We have a lot of lower maintenance options with composite decking and railing, and we can kind of customize the design and space to kind of fit cohesively with your landscaping. Yeah, this fall we're looking to line up some decks for this winter, so we offer a promotional period where if you commit by this fall, we'll get you locked in for this winter and also qualify for promotional pricing. This is Jamie Kibbe with Walden Design. We're in Rockford, Michigan. We'd love the opportunity to come out and take a look at your site and see how we can design a beautiful deck for your lifestyle.